Hey everyone, Monica here. I am just about to round up my discussion on the last video where I spoke about key strategies on ensuring a fair transition, energy transition for everyone. That is from the large corporations down to the marginalized communities and citizens like you and I. I spoke about the need for massive sensitization campaigns across all boards, not just the children. I also spoke about government subsidies and financial support given by agencies to these communities, to people like you and I, so that we can easily adopt these green technologies. The last but not the least, I spoke about government creating employment opportunities, not just for the newcomers into the green energy industry, but also to those traditional workers that were once working in the fossil fuel industry. Giving them upskilling, retraining programs help them to easily transition from that traditional industry to the green energy sector. Another strategy that I feel is very effective and important is to have underserved communities be part of this energy transition discussion. Having marginalized community members, everyday workers, citizens like you and I being part of the conversation for energy transition, it means that policies that are going to be created, laws and regulations, are going to be much more inclusive. It's going to be much more cohesive because it is going to encapsulate unique challenges faced by communities or people like you and I, and it will also embrace the challenges of large MNCs for them to adopt this cleaner energy transition. Now, having everybody's input in creation of the policies ensures a better and faster transition to cleaner energy. We as humans are highly dependent on the fossil fuel industry. So it's no surprise to learn that this energy transition is going to take a long time and it's going to be a slow process. But I believe it is doable. One of the ways that this can work is by rendering carbon taxes to companies. If we can tax companies on their carbon footprint, we believe the funds that are acquired from these companies or agencies can be used to invest in clean energy alternatives in this energy transition journey. I sincerely believe that these strategies have to be picked hand in hand. They have to all work at the same time. It is not cherry picking which is the favorite of them all. One works when the other works. So I believe that when these are done hand in hand, it will ensure an equitable, fairer transition, not just for the big guns, but for people like you and I. Well, there you have it. These are my 6 key strategies in ensuring a fairer and equitable energy transition. So if you have any ideas or if you have something to contribute, please leave them in the comments below and I would like to hear your point of view. Till next time.